Hello again. Velkommen til part 2. Hello again, guys, and welcome to the part 2 of the video with my home-built distiller, or sort of home-built. Now it's, as you can see, running as it's supposed to, the optimal way, and it's just started over here. If we can see that, to get down there, it's just starting to drip the heavy pieces of alcohol over here. Drip, 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 drip. This we are gonna measure this alcohol so we can have a look at how much percentage gain it will have, and also we're gonna look at this one and see how the percentage in this one is when everything is finished. But I have decided to make this video into 3 parts, so that will be part 3 when everything is finished. I'll measure it up and stuff, because it's quite cold out here, so I'll make the measuring in the house, I guess, later on today. As you can see now, it's running just as it's supposed to, and that's the maximum amount you can have in there. So as you can see here, nice blue flame, homemade blue flame. The cooling water, by the way, I did mention that earlier. I have some for freezing boxes, these cooling boxes, you have them to take to the beach and stuff. You can have your drinks and some sandwiches and stuff in them. You use these elements that you put in your fridge and put down in that box afterwards to keep things cool down there. That's kind of things I have had in the water, so it brought the water down to about 6 degrees or something. So it's Celsius, by the way. So it's very cold water. Now it's up about around 10 or something, but still very cold. So don't run your cooling water hot. That's a very bad idea, especially if you use live heating source with, or by live I mean either gas or a burner like this one, or anything that can ignite things. If you use an electric heating source, you can be a bit more safe, but still don't run the cooling water hot. It's a bad idea. I usually keep it to around 15 degrees Celsius at a maximum, not higher than that. That's making things more safe and stuff, because it will cool the fumes down here, so it cannot make too much. What the fuck is that called in English? God damn it! It can't. What the fuck is it called? It can't gas, and the gas from it cannot get out and in touch with the live flame, and kaboom. So if you have too hot, oh, that stupid nose. Damn, it's cold out here. Denmark, I hate you. I want to move to California. That's a whole different story. When you run your cooling water at about maximum 15 degrees Celsius, it cannot make that gases, or at least it cannot make that much of them. So it's not so dangerous to use a live flame over here. Anyways, if you have an electric heating source, but don't follow my rules with the cooling water, you also will get less out here because more of it will disappear into the air, and that's an unwanted thing. So yeah, just keep the cooling water down temperature. That's simple as that. So, but yeah, as you can see, it works just as I have intended it to do. I don't have, I have a thermometer somewhere. Where is it? Over here. Yeah, that I've made with a wine motherfucker. What is that called? Yeah, a wine bottle cap or whatever you call it. And I've cut it down and stuff so it will match here. You can see, you can put it in here and watch the temperature, but I don't have that in at the moment because I have intending to not take the whole thing apart when I will fill this. So just open here and fill some more in there when it's cooled down, and there's not so much go in that, and then continue until this one is around here or something. So, but this will wrap it up for the part 2 of my little crappy and totally too much early on the day video. So I hope you have enjoyed it so far, and yeah, do not please subscribe or anything crap unless you actually want to do that. I will not force people to subscribe to my channel because yeah, why do that? If people would like to subscribe, they can do it. I don't understand all those other YouTube motherfuckers saying, oh, remember to subscribe and blah blah blah. Why? If people want to subscribe, they will remember it by themselves. Simple as that. So yeah, just a little side story there. But let's wrap it up, and hope to see you in part 3, where we will have a look at the measuring of the percentage of the alcohol, and yeah, pretty much look a little bit further into the rest of the stuff I've got. So see you guys. Hey.